wonderful hearty zucchini soup. 2 to 4 tablespoons of butter or margarine. 2 small white onions, thinly sliced. 1 large celery rib, scraped and thinly sliced. 1 large carrot, scraped and thinly sliced. 3 cups of chicken broth or use low-salt chicken bouillon granules. 3 medium zucchini, unpeeled and cut into quarters lengthwise and thinly sliced. Salt and pepper to taste. Melt butter or margarine in a heavy soup pot and saute onions, celery and carrot until soft. Stir in half cup of broth and zucchini. Cook until zucchini is tender, approx 10 to 12 minutes. Add remaining broth and simmer until vegetables are tender, but still hold their shapes. Season to taste. Serve hot, sprinkled with cheese if desired. Serves 6. You may add more carrots and celery if desired. For more tasty diabetic recipes, go to www.bouillon.com.